What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and here today I am sitting now right in front of my TV, and in this video I'm gonna test the GOVO 5.1 surround speakers, as the soundbar is right at the front, right under the TV, and the subwoofer is right beside of it. And the important thing is the surround channels. I have kept them at the top side, front only. Yes, and in the virtual surround video, but today's video I have kept them right beside my ears. Here you can see that's the left channel, left surround speakers, and here that's the right surround speaker. So I'm gonna keep them right here to my ear levels and gonna check the Dolby Atmos trailers and the sound effects and all. So let's start the show.
Welcome to the Romulus Space Station.
What the hell is this?
I don't know.
Run.
But there comes a time when his people no longer believe in it.
Don't let them out.
Thanks for coming in. Well, thank you for the invite, sir. I have to admit, I'm still getting used to the new look.
They said that'll lose the mustache, sir.
Your inner circle's been compromised. Either you can't see that, or you don't want to.
You may be Captain America, but you're not Steve Rogers.
I'm not.
So if I talk about the sound, it's quite good and the surrounds are working much better, but I cannot compare with that Zebronics I showed you in previous video, and also any home theater with Dolby audio. This thing is not having Dolby audio, because if you have the Dolby audio, the sound effect would be much more different. But for the 7,000 price range, this thing is working very good and the surrounds are very effective, working fine. But for that, to get the best result, you need to connect it to your TV using the HDMI ARC, and also you gotta turn on the PCM from your TV audio settings. Then you'll get the best result from this soundbar. So it's quite good. Sometimes I'm feeling like sitting in a big large hall and watching the movies and all. So let's check out some more trailers.
Mayday! We are under attack!
What do we do? Stop it!
My primary protocol is to keep you alive.
Same! I don't need your help. I don't trust any AI. Do you?
This is what it feels like to be us.
It's beautiful. If we don't stop harming, all life on Earth is doomed.